Hi guys. So we are going through narcissistic personality disorder and the symptoms thereof. We've gotten down to believing that they're superior to others and can only spend time with or be understood by equally special people. They're often very critical of and look down on people that they feel are not important. So when, common knowledge, I guess, is that like when you're on a date with somebody, especially, early in your dating, if they treat the waitress or waiter poorly, then that's probably a sign, not necessarily like, oh, you diagnose them with narcissistic personality disorder, but that might be a sign or a symptom that like they might actually have NPD because they believe that that person is just there to serve them. So, off with you. They might expect special favors and expect other people to do what they want without questioning them. So they kind of expect that like they walk into a room and now they are the leader of this group and people have to listen to whatever they say. And oftentimes they are very charming and charismatic and can get the group to follow them. They might actually be like natural leaders where people do kind of defer to them. And so that kind of reinforces that expectation that like what I say goes. Why aren't you listening to me? I know better than you. They often take advantage of others to get what they want. They have an inability or unwillingness to recognize the needs and feelings of others. So if you have the misfortune of being married to a narcissist or dating somebody with narcissistic personality disorder, even if they're not abusers, they can really have a hard time understanding that like you have needs and that you have feelings, that it's not just them going through life and taking you along in their wake, but that like you also are part of this relationship and have input. They are often also envious of others, although they might not express that in that way. But they also do believe that others envy them and might express that often. They behave in an arrogant way. They brag a lot, come across as conceited. And sometimes they insist on having the best of everything. For instance, like a car, an office, clothes, whatever, whatever. So we'll go on to the next part in our next video.